Okay, once again, we're going to be looking at Unit 1 for this problem. The hourly wage in a factory was increased from 6 dirhams to 11 dirhams. What was the amount of increase? Now we know that the amount of the increase is the new number minus the original number. Okay, so the new number is 11 dirhams. That's what it went to. And we are going to subtract 6 dirhams, which means that our amount of increase is 5 dirhams. Okay, that one was pretty easy. Let's try another one. Mace Hardware buys lawnmowers for 1,019 each. The store requires a margin of 32% of the cost. Find the regular selling price of the lawnmowers. Write your answer to the nearest dirham. Okay, we know that the selling price equals the buying cost plus the margin. So we're going to put it in just like this and see if we can't figure out an equation from it. We want to find the selling price. So we're looking for my selling price. But I know that the buying cost is 1,019. And I know that my margin is 32% of the buying cost. So 32% of 1,019. So let's go ahead and put this in. 32% of 1,019 is, we're going to make this into a decimal, 326.08 dirhams, which means that my selling price is going to be 1,019 plus 326.08. So we're going to write that 1019 plus 326.08 gives me a selling price of 1,345.08 dirhams. They said write your answer to the nearest dirham, so the answer that I would put would be 1,345. All right, let's try another one. What is the markup on an automobile that sells for 39,804 and costs the dealer 26,308? Okay, once again, we've got a new number and a base number. The markup or margin is just the difference between the two. So all we have to do is take 39,804 and subtract what it cost us, which was 26,308. So we get out our calculator, and I'm going to do that, 39,804, and subtract 26,308, and I get that my markup, or my margin, is 13,496 dirhams. Okay, that one was pretty simple. Let's try one more. A book has a margin of 25 dirhams, which is 25% of the selling price. So what is the selling price? Okay, we're going to be going back to our handy dandy little box. And I know that my selling price is the buying cost plus the margin. So if we were to fill in what we know, a book has a margin of 25 dirhams, which is 25% of the selling price. So this right here is 25% of the selling price. Well, we actually don't need to know these two. They're not important. We know that this is that. And the word is in math means to be equal. So 25 equals 25% times your selling price. Well, you're trying to get this alone. So you need to divide both sides by 25%. By doing this, it cancels this out and you're left with the selling price alone, which is what you wanted to get. So we get our calculator out and we're going to do 25 divided by 25%. And we get that the selling price is 100 dirhams, or A in the book.